How to add sockets to static matrix in Unreal Engine 5. I select this cone and right click to select edit cone. You can also use the hotkey Ctrl E. And now I select the window and select Sockets Manager. And next I click this button. And here we create a new socket now. And I change the name. And also you can edit the socket's position. You can drag it up. And yeah, I think this position is okay. And I save it. And next, I will add the sphere. And I drag it to a right place. Get it down. And I drag this sphere to the cone. And you can see here have a socket 1. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.